Fashion has always been very progressive. It has broken the stereotypes of the society. With responsible fashion, we initiated the Fashion Colloquium last year at this point of time, and we are so honored that we had participation in 15 countries. We had 30 plus higher education institutions from over the globe. We had 80 plus speakers, and the theme was so much close to our heart. The stories of change and the transformation that we are all looking at. We were looking at some change makers, some new business models. We were looking at new paradigm shifts in terms of the use of technology. We were looking at the kind of disruption and innovation that was actually happening as we continue with our journey on responsible fashion. Yes, I want you to revisit the whole journey of the Fashion Colloquium. It was a 5-day journey, hosting a panel at the Jaipur Literature Festival with none other than Sanjay Garg from Raw Mango and the HC Managing Director. In fact, we initiated on the 26th of January and a beautiful fashion show on Khadi celebrating 150th year of the Mahatma at the Amer Fort in collaboration with the Jaipur Literature Festival. 2 days of the conference where we had 80 plus speakers speaking on different sub-themes as I shared with you already, and followed by our field trips and visits right from the Princess Diya Kumari Foundation to the Anokhi Museum to the Gyan Museum and the Bagru Texcraft Park. We want you to revisit this journey on responsible fashion that we conceived much ahead in time. As I've shared with you, fashion is already very progressive. We are open to any kind of disruption and truly looking at how to be innovative. So let's be a part of this journey that we initiated last year in 2020, and we're going to take it through and make sure that our society and we enrich through fashion.